Good everyone, you're watching Ready Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if your Windows 11 setting app appears blank or its icons are missing. Now, there are a couple of steps which you could try to get this issue resolved. Now, the first step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and re-register the settings app on your computer. To do this, you will have to press Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard, and that should open the task manager on your computer. Once you have the task manager open, you will have to click on the run new task. In the run new task window, you will have to type the command or the text which says PowerShell and check the box which says create this task with administrative privileges and then click on OK, and you can close the task manager which is in the background. So once you have the PowerShell open in the administrative mode, you will have to copy the command from my video description and do a right click on the PowerShell, and that should automatically paste the command from the video description. Hit enter to execute this command. Wait until this command is being successfully executed. Once this command is being successfully executed, you may close this window, restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, you may try to open the settings and check if you are able to view the icons on your settings app. In case if it works, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and run SFC and DISM scan on your computer. If the app remains blank, corrupted Windows files may be the culprit. Now to resolve this issue, you're going to run the SFC and DISM scan on your computer. To do this, you can go to the search window and type command. You will see the best match for the command prompt. You can do a right click on the command prompt and then click on run as administrator. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Now once you have the command prompt open, you will have to copy the command from the video description or you can type it manually. The command is SFC /scan now, or you can copy the command from the video description and do a right click and it should automatically paste the command. Once you have this command, you may hit enter to execute this command. Once this command is being successfully executed, the next command what you will have to go ahead and execute is the DISM scan. You can copy the command from the video description, do a right click and that should automatically paste the command. Hit enter to execute this command. Wait until this command is being successfully executed. Once the command is being successfully executed, you may close this window, restart your computer and then check if your issues been resolved. In case if your issue has been resolved, well and good, you don't need to try the next step. Now the next step to resolve this issue is to go ahead and repair or reset the settings app on your computer. To do this, you can go to the search window and in the search window you may go ahead and type settings. You will see the best match for these settings. Do a right click and then click on app settings. Once you click on the app settings, you will have to scroll down a bit and you will see an option which says reset and repair. You can click on repair and this will take about a minute or less than a minute. Once the repair is complete, you may click on reset and then click on reset. Once these reset is complete, you may go ahead and restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, you may try to launch the settings and that should definitely fix the problem. Now, in spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.